Hello everyone, it's Anila here. A few years ago, I had made this number shaped card for a math challenge, and since then, this card has been the most saved card on my Pinterest. I also had a lot of requests for the detailed measurements of it, hence, I made this video. This card can be given out for first birthdays or anniversaries, and it can also be used as first birthday invites. I will be sharing a few examples for the same towards the end of this video. We begin by creating a template using a thin packaging cardboard. I will cut a regular card size piece out of it, measuring 4 inch by 5 3/4 inch. We can also directly work on the card base, but as the shape is unique and it involves a lot of measurements, I create a template which comes handy for future use. We now mark 1 3/4 inch on the two sides and connect them together to create the base of the number. On the same line, we now mark at 3/4 inch from the left side and 1 inch from the right side and draw vertical lines on them. From the top left corner, we now mark at 1/2 inch and 2 1/4 inch vertically and 1.5 inch horizontally. Connect the top 2 points by creating a little curve and another smaller curve connecting the point below to the vertical line. Erase the extra lines to avoid any confusion and cut the outer lines to make the base template ready. To make it look more balanced, I trim 1/4 inch from the right side of the base. I now trace the template on another piece of card and draw 1/8 inch inner offset of the whole shape and cut it out. We now have two templates ready, the bigger one for the card base and the smaller one for the top layer. We now take a side folding card base, trace the bigger template and cut the card such that the left edge of the number forms the fold of the card. Now that the base shape is ready, we cut the top layer in white cardstock using the smaller template. Let us now decorate the card. I will be using these images from the Elfie Selfie stamp set by Lawn Fawn. And And to save time, I have already stamped, colored and fussy cut the images. Here I take squeezed laminated distress oxide and using a blending brush, I apply some color on the top layer. Stamp the sentiment in black ink and foam mount this layer on the base. Arrange all the images on the card and stick them in place. While making bulk invites, you can use ready stickers in place of the stamped images. And just finish off by adding some details with the black marker. And that completes our card in the shape of number 1. Here are 2 baby cards in pink and blue. I have used pattern paper as the top layer of the cards and embellished them with ready stickers. And here's the last one to show how I use the same design to make an anniversary card by adding a couple image, some florals and the sentiment. Thank you for being with me till the end. Stay home, stay safe and keep crafting.